In this video, I'm going to teach you how to bill Medicaid for home care services. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Billing Medicaid for home care services requires adherence to specific guidelines and regulations. So, these vary by state. It's crucial to consult your state's Medicaid agency for accurate and up-to-date information. In this video, I'm going to give you a general outline of the process and how you can find all of the most up-to-date information. So first, provider enrollment. Ensure that your home care agency is enrolled as a Medicaid provider in your state. This involves submitting necessary documents and meeting specific requirements. You will obtain a unique provider number from Medicaid, and this number is essential for billing purposes. So if you would like additional help with this, go over to the Medicaid.gov website and click on this option, Learn how to apply for coverage. In here, you will be able to see this map and a bunch of links related to Medicaid. Through these links, you will be able to apply, see if you are eligible, check on an application, get a replacement card, check on claims, and find healthcare providers. So all that you have to do in here is find your specific state. When you click on any of these states, you will be able to find all of the relevant links. So you have the contacts, eligibility, enrollment, the Department of Health, Medicaid, and so on. So when you click on any of these, you will be redirected into another page where you can get information related to Medicaid billing. So be aware of your patient eligibility verification before providing services. Confirm that the patient is eligible for Medicaid benefits. This will involve checking the patient's Medicaid card or using online verification tools such as this one, where you will be able to see eligibility, and you will, for certain services, be able to do prior authorization for Medicaid. You will have detailed records and logs, and you will be able to manage everything through your Medicaid states page. I hope I was able to help you on how to bill Medicaid for home care services. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.